Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Have a great night. I hope you guys enjoy the show. Maraming salamat po, everyone. Salamat for having us here. Till the next one. There's Aspen. SB19. Maraming salamat po. Salamat po. Mag-ingat po kayo. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta.
Thank you so much, everybody.
Maraming salamat po. Mag-ingat po kayo.
Have a great night.
Thank you so much for having us.
Thank you, guys.
Guys, sabay-sabay tayo! Alright, let's give it up for SB19! Wait, teka. Hingal ako. Naiintindihan ko na.
May na-convert po tayo!
Grabe! Pero isa lang tanong ko. Isa lang talaga napansin ko, bakit si Justin hindi pinagpapawisan? Oo, wala silang force! Wala siyang pawis!
May fireworks pa! Grabe naman! Day 1 pala tayo ng Aurora Music Festival, Clark. And talaga naman marami na ganap from all the performers kanina, di ba? We were able to witness Cup of Joe. Sino ba? Si Adi.
Yes! Moira! December Avenue!
Siyempre kasama na rin si Juan Carlos at SB19! Ano? Aurora Nation, buhay pa ba kayo?
Ayun!
Buhay
Pauwi
pa.
na sila. Buhay pa sila, di ba?
Of course, again, day 1 pa lang, jam-pack na tayo. And mas hindi pa tayo magpapaawat for tomorrow's performances.